Good morning, students. As usual, we first read the whole problem and then we will dissect it into two parts. One part will be of the known information, means what has been given, and the second part will be of what we are required to find out. So, first we read the information and then we will dissect it into two parts, one of the known information and other part what we are required to find out. So Neha and Ria went for a fair. Their mother gave them rupees 500. Neha spent two-fifths of the total money. If Ria spent rest of the money, then how much money did Neha spend? What fraction of total money did Ria spend? So there are two parts of this problem. One is the given given part, and here we write the information which is given. Given this Neha, they were given 500. Total money was 500. Both the sisters were given 500, and their mother gave them rupees 500. Neha spent two-fifths of the money. And second information, this is the first information, and second information is two-fifths of the money was spent by of the total money. Neha, two-fifths of the total money was spent by two-fifths was spent by Neha. And here you should look at this denominator and this part, and this part shows one thing, that 500 been divided in five parts. Either you write of one-fifth of 500, and I already told you that of means multiplication. So one-fifth multiplied by 500, and that is going to be 100, because you know 1 is 1, 1 is 1, and 0 0. So the whole was 500. The whole was this, from here to here is 500, and that whole has been divided into five parts. then naturally each part will carry 100, 100, 100, and 100, 300, and 100. This is 400, 100. So two parts were spent by what our problem says that was spent by Neha. Two fifths means two parts were spent by Neha. It means these are two parts. First part 100 and second part is also 100, means 200 rupees was spent by. And second thing he is asking about is rest of the money was spent by Neha, and rest of the money is this, and that, and that plus 100 plus 100 means these three parts were spent by Ria, and 100 means 300. So here we are able to find out easily that how much was spent by Neha and how much was spent by Ria, means 200 was spent. And don't forget to put unit before Neha's here. To here you again can write that rupees 200 was spent by, this is Neha's here, and remaining rupees 300 were spent by Ria. And now we will look at the second part of the problem, and that is what fraction of money did Ria spend? So, and what fraction of money did Ria spend? We already divided that into five parts: one, two, three, four, and five. Two fifths of the parts, this is 500, and that has been divided into five equal parts. So this is one fifth, This is 1/5. This is 1/5. This is 1/5. And this also is 1/5. Then we see this 2/5 was frac- fraction spent by Neha, and remaining this part means 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 means 1, 2, 3. 3/5. 3 into 1/5. That actually is 3/5. So now it's clear 2/5 of the part was spent by Neha, and remaining 3/5 part was spent by Ria. So if we want to check our problem, we can say this is Neha's part and this is Ria's part, and their total is 5 by 5, that is equal to 1. 1 is our whole. So, and 1, this whole is equal to 500. So, and if you think this has slightly added to your knowledge, then don't forget to subscribe this channel. Kindly revert to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for today.